use the ArthroStim on his back here, and it's a very gentle but effective way of adjusting the spine. So we went through the low back there, and then I'm just going to continue up, and we'll go through the mid back up into the neck. And I use this on a lot of patients. I also use manual adjustment, but this is something that I can use on anyone that's any age. So the elderly, this is perfect for. In fact, I usually use this on the elderly just because it's a little bit more gentle and a little bit more comfortable. And it's also nice for those that are a little more nervous about the popping and more of the manual adjustment. So very simple.